Hey YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Willie02 here. What's up? Peace. Yeah, I'm gonna be hauling my first load of scrap to the junkyard tomorrow with the new truck. I'm hoping I don't have no issues. This load has been on my trailer since April, since before I had my surgery. And I finally got everything on it that I want to get rid of. So it'll be nice to finally have my trailer empty again, because it's been full since April. So even if I wanted to use it, I couldn't. So that'll be nice to have some bitch empty again. Alright, that's it. We'll get a tour out later. Peace. Have a good one. Well, out. Be safe. Watch out for your back windows.